Hi, this is John Whiteley, and you can use multiple tabs in QuickBooks Online. So we're going to head over to the software and demonstrate how easy it is to add an additional tab in the application. We're now viewing the sample company file provided by QuickBooks Intuit. And what we want to do is create multiple tabs so we can very quickly move from one report or one screen to the other in QuickBooks Online. So first of all, we'll click on Reports and we'll take a look at the profit and loss statement. Okay, now if we want to go to the balance sheet, it will retrieve that report for us, but now we cannot see the profit and loss unless we retrieve the report. So one way to make this simpler is to create multiple tabs at the top here. You see where it says Craig's Design and Landscaping, which is the balance sheet right now. Now what we want to do is create a second tab in here and keep this one still open. So the way to do that is highlight Reports in the left panel, use the right button on the mouse, and open link in new tab. And it's going to create a second tab here at the top where it says Reports. We'll click on that and we'll open up the profit and loss statement. Now we have the Craig's Design Landscaping Services profit and loss in that tab, and we click on this tab over here and we have the balance sheet. So we can very quickly move back and forth between the tabs and get information as necessary. Now if you make any changes in one of the screens, make sure that you run the report again in the other screens where the report is related to that change of information. And you can create multiple tabs here at the top. It doesn't just have to be two of them. So for example, you may want to do transactions. In this case, we'll just drill down a little ways here. Let's say you want sales, and open link in new tab. And now we have the sales transactions, and you can actually enter new transactions in this screen, which of course would affect these other reports, and you would run the report again to update it. Hi, I'm John Whiteley. I'm a CPA and Certified QuickBooks Pro Advisor, and I invite you to take my course on QuickBooks Online. We will review all the modules in QuickBooks, starting with the menu structure, then move on to your company setup, exporting data, importing data. We will review how to connect your bank accounts to QuickBooks Online. Bank reconciliations will be reviewed, as well as budgeting, customer creation and editing, vendor creation and editing, and much, much more. We will demonstrate how to create sales invoices, credit memos, refund receipts, delayed credits. We will also look at the expense transaction creation, inventory setup, and posting procedures. The numerous reports are examined, and you will learn how to customize the reports and save them for future use. Year-end planning will be outlined for you, as well as the important documents and reports to organize for your year-end meeting with your local CPA. I have included a brief summary, the menu steps, and screenshots to help you retrieve those screens mentioned in the training videos for each module. This text summary will make it easy for you to find the menus and screens which you will need when posting your own transactions. However, you will soon remember where the menu labels are after using the software for a short period of time. I have prepared this course from a practical perspective and give practical comments on the best procedures learned from over 25 years' experience working with small business clients. It is vital that you make sure your accounting software is set up properly for your business and that you have adequate control over your income and expenses, and you are able to safeguard your assets and investment. This has been my objective in serving my clients, and I have taken this approach in preparing this course for you. Whether you are a small business person, bookkeeper, or someone who just wants to understand how to use QuickBooks Online, please review the lesson outline for this course and see how extensive and useful the training will be for you.